massive. This is the Maple KFC. How are you going to say now? How are you going to say now? How happened? Oh yes, how are you going? How are rat? How are rat? The crowd weird. And the rat want PP side food. Come on now, do man. Where there? What rat are there? Oh, he catch him. Oh, are you the on TikTok? This for your angle. Yeah, can't get this here. At least me have you to help me out. So this girl is actually streaming live on TikTok. So based on when me that watch it, you could have see from where it is before me come out here. You know, be go and stream before. But you come right out, man, for the media. Outside, man, touch it, man. What? Look what I go on.
I'm walking at that grass, so you can't. What place is pizza?
We are in Old Harbour Town. Yes, massive Old Harbour Town. Trust me, in a one place called St. Catherine. That's the parish scene. And trust me, today, KFC I give away free chicken. Yeah man, you hear me good. KFC I give away free chicken today. So listen, today is actually KFC 50th anniversary, and right across Jamaica they will be giving away free KFC chicken. So all you need to do to get the free chicken is to buy a big deal. You understand? Once you buy a big deal, you're going to get a free meal. You understand? So 3 pieces of chicken, and then you get 2 pieces of chicken from that for free with fries and 2 drinks. You see me I say? You can't beat that. So because of that, you have a massive crowd at every single branch in Jamaica from this morning, 6 o'clock. KFC tends to open 10:30 to 11 a.m. and trust me, people there from 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, the place ram pack. Alright, mama? No. KFC I give away free chicken and the place ram. You know see it?
I don't love too much plastic food.
A Jamaicanist, we love it. Then you know see the KFC a Jamaican national dish. Yes, man. So you're not going to get some? Fry, you not eat. God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. So yes, massive, back to the program. Yeah, man, right behind me, see there. People like foolishness. Yeah, man. So KFC I go free chicken, and we are going to take a look because guess what? The town rock. Whole heap of people outside. Old lady, to young people, schoolers, people for their work. Yeah, them not their work. But them they are KFC. So guess what? Out here just festive. We are going to walk through, we are going to show you the crowd. Massive, we never see so much crowd yet. You don't think at the National Stadium, like a football match go on. Yeah, for the chicken. But here, we just hope say them be peaceful today and just behave themselves because so far, it don't look so good. I be a fight, be a cussing, be a things, everything I go on, block up the whole road. Whole road block up and think police over there like in them hundreds. I try start out a crowd. So we could go take a look and show you exactly what going on with KFC in our Old Harbour. We're going to see how much KFC we actually can go today, but right now with the Old Harbour, I'm going to check it out. A mad thing. Hello. Oh my word. So far, this is what it looks like. People like trouble. Police in the numbers of your direct traffic and think the line long like from Yasogana, Jerusalem. I've never seen anything like this. So you have to love KFC. No joke, no doubt. They give away free chicken. Let me see how far the line goes. Oh my word. So massive, it's not normal, but once a KFC, we are go there. Alright, so let me tell you this. You can see how far the line is. The line going way around at the back of one part. You understand? Down in one lane, down in one part. But another line alone, you have to check out the drive-thru. massive, the giant through the run 10 miles down the road. Me have to go use the drone shot to see this liner because as far as your eyes can see, you hear when the songwriter says, my eyes can see so clear, as long as you're standing there, right now we can't see nothing going down the line. You understand? Car gone around 2 miles down the line. You understand? All the way up to the KFC, and this is the back. So, Mr. KFC, man, what them pay on the extra today? So without extra pay, this not gonna work. Hold up KFC, and now Massive is just like a few minutes after 10 in the morning. Never seen it like this before. From there, yeah man, KFC I give a free chicken, my teacher. Oh my word. No fruits now sell today, no? No. Yo, Mr. Well, them go over Bro G. Manners. Jamaica walk by, you see it? Yeah. Yo, Massive, fruits are going to go past today. Yeah. Don't feel no way. KFC I give a free chicken, my teacher. We can't feel no way today. See, as a businessman, yeah man, we just do a pass here and make people them damn chicken, alright? See that about the heart I love. I've never seen KFC line so festive in my life, my bro. Yeah, but you don't know we are Jamaican, and guess what? We have it a KFC, our national dish, you know, dog. Me love it, you know, me not go around here, you know. Give me my spicy tie, you know, man, I'm good enough, my spicy sing, I'm good enough. Yeah, man, that baby tree. Yeah, me work with it. Don't joke, don't be teacher. Yo, but people they are patiently wait. You go join the line to my friend. Alright. But yeah, make us go on in our place. Oh my word, so forward. Go on do it. Who said that? So far, we not even know. They open the door yet? They not letting nobody. Oh, so inside full. Oh, so they just let in a few and then lock back the door. Jeez and peace. So right now, as you can see, the door. This is the entrance to the KFC in Old Harbour, and massive people like in them hundreds, bro. Because guess what, me know? If you buy, you can buy up to 3. You can buy up to 5 big deal, and you can get the free meal deal to go with it. So one person can get 5 times the free chicken. You know what I mean? And my favorite food still, but I go around with it, I love it bad. But you don't know. It's a vibe. Look out here. I just hope so the people them not fight and them not bust the war and all of that. No fight no go on, mommy. I hope them not bother with that today. But no joke, no. Yo. So now you can see the door open a little bit. So what them do, they just let in some people. See some people get out them food. Yo, I wonder what inside look like. We can't even get to see on the inside. So yeah, the festivity out here is just not normal. Trust me, I've never seen it before like this. Oh, are you the on TikTok? Based for your angle. Yeah, can get this is here. At least me have you to help me out. So this girl is actually streaming live on TikTok. So based on when I watch it, you could have see from where it is before me come out here. You know, be go and stream it from. But you come right out, man, to the media. Outside, man, touch it, man. Why you channel him again? Let me give you a shout out.
Amir's mommy.
Amir's mommy. That is it. You see, I want one page out here named Formula God. Oh, you mean? We have you outside. Below. I know it's not just free things, a KFC. Oh, KFC, nice, bad. You understand? So, yeah. So we're outside here, massive, and trust me, I've never seen it like this. So, if you are watching this and you don't know exactly what is going on, it is KFC 50th anniversary, and they are giving away a meal deal with every 5 big deal that you buy. You understand? No joke, no doubt. And it is just great. And this is not just the old Harbour KFC. This is actually every single KFC in Jamaica is rampacked at this time. KFC now, man. How that Desrin? I remember some people are called. Big up our respect. You see it? Outside, but you have to go straight now, man. So I'm not joking.
Welcome to Jamaican Embassy. The Jamaican people are outside trying to get their visas. But unfortunately, that's not the problem because they broke the glass. The secret are going to turn us down. And the visa is no longer signed. So we're going to talk about it. Big up one way.
Yo, you know about TikTok? Why you TikTok? Jamaica walk by over there. No joke, man, they work. You hear that? Early. Figure that. Blows and skirt, but no joke. So massive fold up on the normal.
Don't get that looking pretty alright.
I'm trying to see on the inside to see what inside looks like. I can't really see, but they are really regulate. Don't do that, my friend. They're trying to regulate the crowd, but inside is not full. They pretty much just regulate the crowd on a level. So you're not full up now, nothing like that. But I think it's just best for the workers to work more easy and efficiently. So most of the crowd is actually on the outside here, just waiting to get their chance to go in. So, on the other hand, this guy is supposed to be trimming here. Here him be trimming up and barbershop empty, must say. So, him have to do a KFC line. I rang Jabba Depan today, no? Oh, yeah, no, not every man can chair come right out of some. Then you have a little bit of space. Yeah. So, you might ask him why I go in, ask him if he now buy film KFC.
You can't go in, you can't go in. Come down the bread and see you, bro. What's up?
Yo.
Yesterday.
So, this is the old Harbour KFC if you don't know what we chat with it. Look what I got.
I walk in at that grass, so you can't go.
Who pay fee visa? Who pay fee visa? Who buy back the gas to come down here? Oh, who are help? Who are help? Who are help?
Get through it. What do you think, Sean? Send them with KFC right now.
Yo.
Actually, alone.
How much I want to chat? Never come down. Which part is we can't tell us that.
So listen, all if you're pregnant, you go there, cause this lady is not afraid to come out with the baby in her belly. You understand? Because of KFC. So it's no time to chill in the house while you're pregnant. You have to come and get this chicken. Big up to this nice, beautiful baby mama here. Big up your baby father to a plant seed, cause you know seed of a plant. You understand? Them outside, the numbers don't normal. Look good now, man. Old about KFC. So, G, me can ask a question about the delivery. So people can call and order and still get the same deal?
Yeah, man.
Oh, so you can pretty much call and get the same deal, so that is good. So that means you have more than your work cut out for you today. Yeah, and you can make some more money. Yeah, raise the delivery fee, you know, man. And that deal, though. Yeah, because they're not pretty much, you know, just tell us a gas price raise today. Yeah. Yeah, so you have to up the thing, man. Big up the teacher. Right, safe. Remember that safety is key, hear that? No joke, no. Big up yourself, my bro. Yeah, so delivery off. I think you don't know, man, I gotta make sure say the kitchen, the chicken them reach. You see me? See, they get their delivery service. Call them and order your chicken. I don't know, normal thing. Watch out, massive. Oh my word. Oh my word. But me not lie, me love my Jamaican people them. You see me? My Jamaican people them the normal, bro. Jamaican people them off there. You understand? Just like how me there. I make us save the line and get longer out here because the older about KFC just not normal right now.
But you know we Jamaicans go about things the wrong way. So we probably not get our visas today because they're fighting. The only time we get to have like some free
Yo, but yo, you not have a YouTube channel? No. Yeah, you have a YouTube channel, me teacher. Your vibes unmatched right now. I don't think I get it back. Tell them a TikTok name again.
One president man.
One president man. Big up all like TikTok G, they understand, no joke, no. All them two teachers, they mad love me teacher, respect, hear that. All them the outside. All them the outside with chicken, man. Them the want chicken.
No.
When's that?
Yeah. Bumbo cloud, what that? Oh, is in the run from the screen, what that boy?
Oh, you mean? What heap of people there, man? The man a show the way go on. They don't know big up to that teacher. Yo, me teacher go on it. The vibes unmatched. Respect. Yeah, man.
Shut up.
Yeah. That G there, I stream on TikTok and trust me. Him vibes. Before me found out here, me da watch him TikTok too, and I tell her say, it never normal. Yes, massive. So the line a get longer and it a stretch go to one place or to one part. You understand? I don't know, but the vibe not normal, it's nice. Big up to all like peace officers them too as well. We regulate the place and make sure say everything will go smooth. Old Albert sound. Well on the man, let me talk to my friend a little bit because I don't understand how she have a...
I mean, get number one.
No. So, at what time you there? From 5 o'clock?
No, I say I can't see water music. I went to my stall or something, you know.
Where's the sell?
I can't see water music this morning.
Yeah.
Me have come.
And get the sell already?
Yeah. Yes. I mean, first one, you know, but guess what? I have to put 5 somebody at head because them pay me.
Mighty God.
Sell myself spotted at KFC.
Sell it.
Yeah.
What kind of chicken you have in this? Where go barbecue?
Me go bar, you know, so I look like a free one, then give me this. Not from like a little free chicken, then give me.
Cheese and peas, barbecue, say Thai, my favorite part, you know, man, Thai, no, man.
Nice, not
Cheese and peas, why will you sell out here? Because I wonder if you are going to sell today. Because with so much people are going to chicken, I don't think them are going to buy no food and no fruits. Yeah, talk to me.
Then you go to the glass, you know.
Then you go to the KFC glass?
I don't think them are going to sell them of KFC for the rest of the year.
Which one is glass? At the front?
The front glass, the people them look out it.
Oh, we answer to me, so I have to go check out that and see what
yes,
going on.
Yes, I don't think chicken are going to sell for the rest of the year.
So, we say, if the chicken, if you have something like that, you get a chance to sell?
Right.
Almighty.
That's all the way we cancel and KFC cancel today.
Because, see all your friends, where's the KFC can't cancel?
No, after me come out for after 7, right?
Yeah, talk to me.
Join the line.
Yes.
When me reach up the order 18 big box.
18 big box?
Yeah, no man will take my order. Me order too much.
Only 5 years so they can get that time
but
to
me
one
general,
person.
so me get 18.
Yeah, because you buy for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No, no, KFC, I'm a neighbor. Let me get the 18 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it.
That is, yo, you are the best.
Best.
Big up our respect. So right now, Massive, she sell right across. Beside the KFC.
Yes, I'm going on the line. I go at the front and say I'm the first one.
Yeah, because you're there every single day, you know. Are you there from early because you see how your business place full? So right now she sell okra, plantain, ripe banana, pine banana over here, so everything, coconut, carrot, cabbage, scallion. She sell right beside of the KFC in a Old Harbour. So if you want all the market produce them, you can still come support her. You understand? KFC are your neighbor. But you say you have to treat it differently.
Nobody could do that. 18 big bucks one time.
Figure that? Mommy, we are peep to window. Mama, you're not buy yet.
No, I'm going to let the line them in here.
Then you're not a good friend, man, and I'm actually need it for you. Oh gosh, man. Figure that.
Look, somebody get to make we order for the KFC.
From England, you order? Jesus.
Should already eat.
The KFC ready, me soon go fit me meat first now.
Nah.
Put money to carry too much.
Let me see in your box. Alright, you're not going to...
This one that free box to me get. Like a girl in front of me and give me that 3 bucks free.
Cheese and peas. Outside with it. Driver! Why me not pull over?
Things are born today.
Outside, big up yourself, movie. Jamaica walk by.
I walk with my party and no cooking today.
No cooking. Boy, your party shine though like it new. Big up yourself, my friend. Big up somebody. Which one you found from? Which one you found from?
Right here, son.
Yeah, you sell yours too?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a little business places.
Yes.
That is it, man. But you look like yourself from a pin to an anchor.
Yes, man.
Big up yourself. Big up somebody.
Wow, big up my friend Janika. I'm my sister and my daughter them.
Outside. Big up my friend.
Yeah.
You get the KFC already?
No, see there, son.
All right. So yeah, Massive. Back to the festivities, man. Yeah. No, man, come out and car and go join the line. Listen. Come out and car and go join the line.
It's my birthday.
Are your birthday today too?
I get the KFC.
Are you getting the chicken? See them stuff?
Because it's rough.
Massive, this is one of them you that me know before me say. This is them stuff. Me case I come back and make a whole up the place. Are you heard that? Them stuff, big up yourself, bro. Outside. Oh, you be, make a cross. Video me no man. But me think a video me talk to people. Yeah. So if you hear me I repeat myself, me keep on and tell all that person but just a join. Go and dog so. You understand? So again, it is KFC 50th anniversary and they're giving away free chicken. See? So if you buy a big deal, you will get a meal deal for free, and one for each person can buy up to 5 times to get that free offer, and each one you buy you get a free meal deal. How cool is that? So big up KFC for doing something like that extraordinary on today, and it will be only lasting for 1 day. So that is the reason why there's so much crowd. I guess if they give it for the week, we could have regulate the thing. I like mommy, not true. But a 1 day, so we have it out here in our number. And a joke thing, no joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah, man. Look, actually, go back in the car. You know what I think go. Boy, my teacher, like delivery man, them work on overtime. Overtime, them have to move today. Overtime. Old Harbour KFC. No joke, no doubt. Oh, you mean, man? Look good.
Now buy nothing, now wheel me a look.
If he say now buy nothing, now wheel him. Yo, somebody send a universe to go give. Yeah, the vibe's nice. Somebody said this is the Old Harbour KFC right now, and we're going to try to see if we can make our way to the Pen branch to see exactly what is going on down there, because we say Pen not normal, Pen kind of ramp up even worse than the Old Harbour branch. Downtown the ears are not normal same speed, and trust me, It is incredible. Trust me, no joke, no. Yeah. Let me see, what is happening here? What going on?
Pull the door! Make everybody free, everybody can get John.
But bro, what I don't understand, I don't see anybody coming out with any chicken. Yeah, me not see people that try to get in, but me not see nobody get out.
Look like I don't see back them and come out.
Because me can see say delivery man them at work overtime.
Overtime.
You understand? I mean I tell one of them to raise the delivery fee in now here.
A joke.
Cause me have to raise the delivery fee for that. Oh my God. Hold down my KFC. Alright, massive, we're going to see if we can make our way to Pen to see what go on at Pen. One more look at the door. Alright, massive, let's make our way to Pen. Yes, so blessed and respect. OMG, so now we're in the town of Pen. You understand? Clarendon, you understand? Me the thing say Old Harbour Festive, but now me get to find out say Pen double Old Harbour. So if you watch what I go on so far and see how Old Harbour look, trust me, Pen 2 times that. You understand? So as we reach in Pen and we are walk out, I me say is the entire Jamaica is having free KFC today. You understand? Today, KFC 50th anniversary. As we've been telling the throughout the video, say KFC is giving away free chicken. So if you buy one big deal, you're gonna get a meal deal completely for free. You understand? Yes. So each person can get up to 5 big deal with 5 free meal deal. Big up to KFC for that. Can I get an amen? So massive, we're just gonna walk over to KFC. We're just standing here in the bargain village area. Yeah, that the KFC that we're in at the heart of the town. And we're going to show you massive, oh my God, a stadium. A stadium for the chicken. You understand? You think Visa place did full yet? Yeah, and the KFC them full. No joke, no doubt, massive. So big up to everybody who is watching. And remember, don't just watch. Subscribe to the channel. We see great content about Jamaica as we bring to you like, oh my God, make a go over the KFC. Look what I go on, man. So massive, this is the KFC in Bargain Village, Pen, and believe me, Visa line never so full yet. Remember me telling you. Watch out. Watch out. KFC, no joke. Big up to KFC for this no man. Oh my word. The people them out in the numbers massive trying to get a bite of the KFC today. Even the window, them are try to do the window shopping see just to see what going on inside. You know what I mean? Make us sip on the inside of the look. Cheese. So we are trying every single way how to get in the meat of the matter for the KFC chicken today. Everybody out, young people, big people, people in them teen, them, trust me, Wally. Oh my word. So this is what it looks like. You understand? So what they're doing, they're regulating, they're currently regulating the persons who should be inside. So then there's a Latina specific amount of number so they can actually maneuver and sell the chicken them more efficiently today. Because I can guarantee you, not even grand market, you're going to see so much people line up for the KFC them. May I tell you, I'm not joking. Make we get a closer look. So here some people saying I want to go on with the line because they're there from 8:30. And they're from 8:30 this morning and KFC is scheduled to open from 10 o'clock or say 10:30, 11. That's the original time for KFC open. You understand? And people have said they've actually been here from 8 o'clock. People said them there from 8 o'clock. So you might know how much people here waiting and the business place not too long officially open. You understand? A long time they start letting people. Or you just a reach? Cheese and peas. No joke. Yeah. So this is actually the Pen KFC. Big up and respect outside. Yeah, me actually at the Jamaica walk by because you know my thing set. So when I'm on the lunch break and I try to get piece of chicken. Me sorry food in a teach. Yeah, because I hold up me afford from me now. Hold up on a normal night there, you know. So I trouble. I've never seen KFC like this before. Almighty. It's true they make today. How much piece of big deal you buy? And them I buy. How much I go for 13? They might give one person 5.
No, I order because guess what? My students in the plan to order from last week before all
of this cheese and peas.
Because remember, at grade 6, from them, remember, for grade 4 alone, at grade 6, they're school, so that's their lunch.
That is it. So how you go get? What's the motive? How you go try to get in? That me would like to know now. How you go get in? You have to go have an inside link and now to sort this out. Almighty. Alright, I'm going to go on this. We are going to take some images of what I'm going. So yeah.
Want to see press one on the phone?
Phone case and screen protector from 1,000 up.
Because you're
Party. So as you can see, right to the side of KFC, the line forward. You understand? And again, this is the Pen KFC. And this is the branch in Bargain Village. Yeah, man. Oh my word. So, Pen actually have 2 KFC. One in the heart of the town and one is down by Glenmore Road. You understand? So, the festivity just don't seem to disappoint when it comes on to Jamaicans and the KFC. Remember me tell you. Oh my word. Yeah. Me say, hold on, Batu. Which glass broke out? One glass broke out. One glass broke out. A whole dab town too. That's a broke out too. Oh yeah, see the right at the front. No. Oh my! You get your chicken yet? You get your chicken already?
My 3 piece money. I mean, I had that.
Oh, you don't have a 3 piece money. You go and look and collect it, man. Yo. Alright, yo, let me see if I can. Let me see if I can. Since you all are talking, let me see if I can jump. I don't have nothing enough. But me I go try. Give you a pace, I cookie, you go on. Hide it. Big up yourself. Yeah. So, yeah, massive. This is the Maple KFC. How are you going to now? How are you going to now? How happen? Oh yes, how are you going? I want rat. I want rat. The crowd will. And the rat want piece of food. Come on now, do man. Where there? Where ratty there? Oh, he catch him. Oh, rata. Rata. He catch the rat. Ah. Rata want piece of him. Hey, yo. The rata say, I forget piece of him today. Oh God! Yeah, there's actually a rat. Yeah, there's a rat. But somebody trampling, but there's actually a rat where say, oh, too much on me need my one today. The rat say, I not just food alone, you know, with that, you know. He could have passed. He was like, "Could pass and detective." Are you an informer, man? I mean, the rat want beef chicken today. Oh my God, yo! Jamaica does always a keep Regine. Yeah. Jamaica does always a keep. Oh my God. So, yeah. See, even this door glass. The glass you broke out. I wonder what caused this one. A pushing cause the glass broke out. Look at them did a push. Cause this one if it broke out, the police come up in there and maintain the peace and the order. You see me? No joke, no. Rock store. So police come up here be very strict as to what happened here today. To maintain the peace and keeping the order. You understand? KFC, you do this today. See there? No glass, not the right, so this glass are completely broke out. So, I love how them monitor the crowd and things. What about that? What about man? Look at the thing there. The thing that you see, we can't be there behind. TikTok. Let me move. Because, some people don't see like illiterate. The thing that even depend on the man, and the man I tell me, say, me have with them, but God go with him. We could just move. Yeah, it takes two to create an argument, because today everybody kind of upset today, because they want them KFC. You see me, I said, so, walk one, clothes and skirt. See up on JNL, what they are going to chat with JNL, you're the easy artist. Yes, man, you're the easy blow. Right now, me record, because I know it's a tape. Yeah, tell them who we there with them, man.
Yeah, man, I destroy, man. You know I are tight, man, for your sake, man.
Destroy,
yeah, man.
Hey, babe.
Wow, you know what KFC over there, so me I say.
Yes, so I'm thinking about KFC, we say in Island too?
No, we are past through and so on.
So you don't want your chicken?
Yeah, yes, we come try my piece, but you done, we are past through, but we are going to do now. And see crowd.
We say line long like a visa.
Everywhere you turn that world, man.
Everywhere. Hold that way, think hold that banana, man. Hold that by ram out, bro.
Yeah, man, like you were told that come down.
Cheese and peas.
Man, it's done a ramming of daddy.
Destroyer, from about what time?
From about 6.
From about 6 o'clock, people start line up.
Yeah, man.
Mighty.
People want them chicken, man.
But I see people are going, I see people are come out. The people that will come out, I don't understand how I go on.
I'm all me come here for just come out, because we want to buy a piece of my grandmother and me 2 you there, you know.
That not going to work out so easy.
Not going to work for school, you know, so 1 o'clock school are over.
Because by the I trouble when the school over here now.
Again, too.
Because watch out, I be a working class people there right now, you know. At least your brother here, just forward out. Me ask you, Godfather, about how long it take to get you? It's about an hour. It's about an hour. See me with about few bags.
Not tell you them I be a pass through me, boss.
Just try, big up yourself and respect, man, maximum. Yeah. So next lady I will get you. How long it take to get you? Big up yourself here. Rockstone. I tell you, massive. It na normal. It na normal. Me a Pen Town. Make we take a look on the drive-thru. Make we see what the drive-thru look like. Make we see what the drive-thru look like, because Old Harbour drive-thru, they are about 2 miles. Now I hope the drive-thru is not so long. Old Harbour drive-thru, they about 2 miles. Like longest me ever see one drive. Nobody not really know that drive-thru, man. Oh, them lock it. Oh, the police them lock it. Come here, I wonder. So it look like the police them block off here, so because guess what, the drive-thru is now forward out on the main road. So you know, so this is going to create a major problem for the main road with it when it comes down to traffic. You see me? So them do the smart thing and just lock that drive-thru here, which is probably the best thing, because this would cause a mad delay and pile up of traffic in the Maypen area. So I guess because of that reason, they close this drive-thru to facilitate the traffic much better, easier flow, and person can get to do what they might do perfectly. You understand? So this is the Maypen Town Bargain Village KFC on the 50th KFC 50th anniversary. All right, sir. So this is the KFC 50th anniversary give back. So buy one big deal and you get a meal deal completely for free. One each, big up my teacher, blessed respect. One person can get up to 5 big deal. If you buy up to 5 big deal, you will get 5 meal deal completely for free. How cool is that? No joke, no doubt, man. Trust me. It's a vibe, it's an energy here in Maypen, and it's a vibe. That's all I can say. Blessed love to everybody who's actually watching right now. Big up to all the KFC massive them. Big up to everybody who responds to this, who thought this was a great initiative to do. Blessings and respect to you, you understand? Yeah, so if you're just watching and you're joined, yeah, thank you so much for watching, because I don't know that. You see me, I say art, love and respect. And this actually forwarding from the Maypen one. So I just want to say, it's still in a shop base for walk one. So blessings and respect to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. Super appreciate you. And as I said, big up to KFC, big up to the peace officer, them where do them work. Them have them work cut out for them today. Also, all of the KFC worker, them sorry for you today. Today is going to be a dread day, and I have to say, and it's still early in the morning. The time is now like about 11 o'clock or 11 a.m. and the place Festive, the whole place block up. Oh, I just realized what I'm saying. They take the drive-thru off of the main road and set it this way, so pretty much they put it straight through the plaza. So I'm not sure how far this drive-thru tends to go, but who knows? Maybe we can go and walk and see maybe 2 miles like Old Harbour. We don't know, but see that KFC ram pack line go right around the building. But the greatest thing is that the police are here and they are maintaining the traffic and they are maintaining the peace very good. So heart of love to everybody who actually watch the video. Super appreciate you all. Big up to all my members, them you don't know. My members, super appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching. It's just a simple video showing what is happening here at the KFC them. So we've been to Old Harbour this morning and now we're in the Maypen. that are for the persons them who just a join. See? So, yeah, blessings and respect. We outside. See? No joke, no doubt. And I must say thank you to everybody who wish me Happy Father's Day. I super appreciate every single one of you who take the time out to do that. Blessings and love. And I must say a special big up to Miss Cadine Sterling. Big up to Miss Cadine Sterling. You have been supporting Jamaica Walk By from the get-go till now. And I just want to say super thank you. Big up no man, no joke. My teacher outside. Where's the bad machine? Easy no man. Figure that. Yeah, so as I was saying, big up to Miss Cadine Sterling and big up to all my Jamaica Walk By supporters. See? Miss Cadine Sterling, super appreciate you and me have to take the time out here to big you up. Especially to you and yours, all your family, all your friends. And just be safe on the ground. And Jamaica Walk By, thank you so much. Heart alone, that is it.